Hey guys, so we're here at VidaProject and we wanted to share with you basically our thought, ideas, and processing during these unprecedented times. We're seeing everything that we consider normal going to a whole different level that I don't think in our lifetime have ever experienced or expected that would happen in our lifetime. But it's something that we're taking very seriously. And here at VidaProject, we're going to share a little bit of what we're doing in terms to help mitigate any exposure, any situations that can happen. Because we've been very proud of the way we care for the facility. One of my personal core values is always to keep the facility surgically clean. But beyond that, like VidaProject as a whole, one of our main core values that you can see up here is do no harm. And we're really leaning into this heavily right now.
So one of the things we know based off our knowledge in terms of the body and health is that when you work out and you go through an extreme workout, you go through 24 to 72 hours where your immune system decreases.
You're compromised.
You're compromised during that time. This is why you've seen the NBA and other sports leagues decide to suspend their season because their players are constantly compromised, especially with an arena full of people. So we understanding that, this is why we made the decision to close VidaProject for the next 2 weeks or until further notice, because we do not want to cause harm to our clients as they will be constantly compromised every single time you guys come in here and work out.
So we've been working the past few days on trying to establish and understand how to best execute the services that we provide for our clients, and one of the concepts that we're working and developing in, and we think it's a great solution, is that we're gonna give you access to as many programs as possible that we have here through an online platform. So this way we can keep our core systems functioning that we truly believe are impactful to our community, to our culture, to our environment. And our way to continue to contribute to that is by figuring out strategies and solutions that allow us to deliver that. Whether we need to think completely differently, that's perfectly fine. We're a small company, and that's the grace about it, that we're able to adjust and really understand the situation and not focus on some of the external factors of a business usually focuses on. We focus on our core values and our mission statement, and that allows us to push ahead. So to tell you a little bit of what we're doing, what we're going to make available, Moses is going to chime in here.
Yeah, so in the next few weeks, where we're going to be developing our online courses, so our movement arts classes, our mobility classes, some of our strength classes are going to be online, accessible by all our clients and anybody else who wants to continue to work and transform at home. So we're really super excited about it because it's something that we've always wanted to do and share with all of you guys. But now we're going to have the opportunity to launch this with our current clients. So you guys will be able to access and continue your workouts, including personal development classes. Our life coaching sessions will all be online so that your transformation and your growth does not have to take a halt because of this.
Mm-hmm. Our nutrition programs, everything basically, because number one, we know that when it comes to keeping a strong immune system, all of these points are fundamental with how our bodies react to stress, right? So if we're able to help in our own way through these funnels, then we're able to have a big impact on not only your personal life but on society as a whole. So that's part of our mission in VidaProject, is to help human beings become versatile and thrive in their lives. This is part of it. This is a element that we're going to be pushing forward with. Any questions, any ideas, anything, we're open. We're always, you guys know we're always open for communication. So we appreciate the time, and I hope you all stay safe out there. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and use this as an opportunity to really connect, because that social element that's been at risk for a long time now is an opportunity for us to connect with our tribes, with our homes, with our families. So yeah.
So thank you again, guys, and thank you for all the support. We'll be seeing you soon.